Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I use this new sponge that I bought. I absolutely love it because it's really scrubby and it helps get out all of those hard stains.
These sponges are awesome. All you have to do is add a dollop of soap and then go on scrubbing your dishes. This was a non-stick pan and I absolutely love that it did not scratch the pan at all.
These sponges are especially great for these non-stick pans because they get all the grime and grease off without scratching your pan. I absolutely love them and they're multi-use.
These sponges also have multi-uses. You can go into your bathroom and clean that shower and get all the grime off of it. They work really well. As you can see here, this gets all the eggs that were cooked on there and it gets it off so easily. I absolutely love these sponges and they don't scratch your pans.